Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beat the Market. Nowadays, everyone wants to get into the share market for wealth creation and for a passive income. But still, most of the people are not aware of how to get into the share market. So, in this video, let's see what are the basic things that you need to know before getting into the share market. To start a journey in share market, you need the following accounts: bank account, demat account, and a trading account. Nowadays, everyone is having a bank account with an online transaction facility. So, let's focus on demat and trading account. For opening a demat account and trading account, there are many brokerage companies available today, like Zerodha, Alice Blue, Angel Broker, etc. Most of these brokerage firms will help you to open both demat and trading account. It is always better to keep both demat and trading account in the same brokerage firm to avoid confusions. Once you decided under which brokerage firm you are going to create your demat and trading accounts, next step is to decide in which way you are going to open these accounts. We can open these accounts in two ways: online mode or offline mode. For offline mode, you need to go to the brokerage firm directly and you have to fill an application form and provide the required documents to them. For online mode, it is very easy and simple. To open an online account in Zerodha, you need the following documents: PAN card, Aadhaar card, mobile number which is linked with your Aadhaar card number, cancellation check or bank statement to link your bank account, a photocopy of your signature, income proof if you wish to do futures and options. You can provide any one of the following documents as income proof: Form 16 or IT acknowledgement copy, and so on. If you want to create an online account with Zerodha, please check out the link which I have provided in the description for step-by-step process of Zerodha online account creation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video to be useful, please click the like button. I will meet you with another interesting video tomorrow. Until then, it's Shamla signing off. Bye. Thank you.